This is a sourdough discard recipe to make a flatbread. It's quick, easy, and delicious. First, you're going to heat an iron skillet with coconut oil or olive oil on medium-high heat. Make sure it's well coated. You don't need to have an iron skillet. You can use a nonstick pan if that's what you have. Next, you're going to add your sourdough starter straight from the jar. Use a spatula to spread the starter over the surface of the pan. Next, you can sprinkle sea salt to taste. Adjust your heat as needed. I find medium to be a great overall heat throughout the cooking process. After about 3 minutes, you're going to check to see if it's ready to turn. It should be a nice golden brown. It could be a little darker than the one I have here if you like your breads a little crispier. Cook the other side for about 3 minutes or so until that side is golden brown as well. Lastly, you can put your favorite topping on. We put butter on. You can put cheese or hummus, whatever you feel like, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this coming soon. Have a great day.